Need a camera that excels in both photography and video? Hybrid cameras offer the perfect balance of high-quality stills and pro-level video features, making them ideal for content creators, vloggers, and professionals alike. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best hybrid cameras, comparing their image quality, video performance, and overall versatility to help you find the perfect one for your creative needs. Capture more. Create more. Let's dive in. For more details and the best deals, check out the link in the description. Number 5. Sony A1. The Sony A1 is the pinnacle of mirrorless camera technology, delivering unrivaled speed, resolution, and versatility for professionals who demand the best. Whether you're capturing high-speed sports, cinematic video, or breathtaking landscapes, the A1 redefines what's possible in photography and filmmaking. At its core, the 50.1-megapixel full-frame Exmor RS sensor delivers incredible detail and dynamic range, while the Bion's XR processor ensures lightning-fast performance. With an astonishing 30 frames per second burst shooting, you'll never miss a crucial moment, making it a top choice for sports and wildlife photographers. The real-time autofocus for humans, animals, and birds offers pinpoint accuracy, even at high speeds. The 8K 30p and 4K 120p video recording delivers cinematic quality, making this camera a powerhouse for filmmakers and content creators. With dual card slots, 5.5 stop and body image stabilization, and high-speed connectivity options, the Sony A1 is built for professionals who need reliability and flexibility. The 9.44 million OLED viewfinder provides an ultra-clear preview, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time. Designed for demanding workflows, the Sony A1 offers wireless file transfer, FTP support, and 10 Gbps USB-C connectivity, ensuring seamless integration into any professional setup. If you're looking for the most advanced hybrid camera on the market, the Sony A1 delivers an unmatched combination of resolution, speed, and video performance. This is the future of professional imaging. Number 4. Nikon Z8. The Nikon Z8 is a true game changer, delivering flagship-level performance in a compact and lightweight body. Packed with cutting-edge technology, it brings the power of the Z9 into a more portable form, making it perfect for photographers and videographers who need both speed and versatility. At its heart, the Z8 features a 45.7-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, delivering breathtaking image quality with incredible dynamic range and low-light performance. Thanks to its Speed 7 processor, this camera shoots at 20 frames per second in RAW and up to 120 frames per second in JPEG, ensuring you never miss a moment. For video enthusiasts, the Z8 is a cinematic powerhouse, recording 8K 60p and 4K 120p with internal 10-bit and RAW and ProRes 422 HQ. This gives you unmatched flexibility in post-production. Plus, full 12-bit RAW recording allows for extreme color grading and editing. The advanced autofocus system features 493 phase detection points, with real-time IAF for humans, animals, and birds. Combined with 5-axis and body image stabilization, your shots stay sharp and steady, even in challenging conditions. With dual card slots, pro-level connectivity, and a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, the Nikon Z8 is built for professionals who demand top-tier performance in a portable package. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, fast action, or cinematic masterpieces, the Z8 is the ultimate creative tool. Number 3. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a versatile, feature-packed mirrorless camera designed for content creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts alike. With a perfect balance of power and portability, it delivers professional-grade performance in a compact, travel-friendly body. At its core, the X-S20 features a 26.1-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor paired with the X Processor 5, delivering stunning image quality, vibrant colors, and exceptional low-light performance. Whether you're capturing portraits, landscapes, or fast-moving action, this camera ensures sharp, detailed shots every time. For video creators, the X-S20 shines with 2K 30p and 4K 60p recording, along with 10-bit 4.2 internal recording, providing rich color depth and cinematic quality. Plus, with F-Log2 support, filmmakers get enhanced dynamic range for more flexibility in post-production. Autofocus is fast and precise, thanks to AI-based subject detection, which seamlessly tracks humans, animals, and vehicles. The 5-axis and body image stabilization ensures ultra-smooth footage and blur-free shots, even in low-light conditions. Vloggers will love the fully articulating touchscreen, 3.5mm mic and headphone jacks, and a dedicated vlog mode for effortless content creation. Plus, the long-lasting battery keeps you shooting all day without interruption. Lightweight, stylish, and packed with cutting-edge tech, the Fujifilm X-S20 is the perfect all-in-one camera for those who want pro-level performance in a compact and user-friendly package. Number 2. Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is a powerful and compact mirrorless camera designed for creatives, travelers, and everyday shooters who want professional quality images in a lightweight, easy-to-use package. At its core, the Z50 features a 20.9-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, paired with Nikon's Expeed 6 processor, delivering stunning image quality, rich colors, and excellent low-light performance. Whether you're capturing portraits, landscapes, or fast-moving action, the Z50 ensures sharp, detailed shots with every click. Speed is another strong point, offering 11 frames per second with full autofocus and auto exposure, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and street photography. The 209-point hybrid autofocus system ensures fast and accurate focus, while eye detection AF keeps your subjects sharp, even when they're moving. For video creators, the Z50 records 4K UHD at 30p with no crop, allowing for wide, cinematic shots. Slow-motion lovers will appreciate the 120 FPS Full HD recording, perfect for creative storytelling. The flip-down touchscreen makes vlogging effortless, and with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, sharing your content is seamless. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the Z50 offers a comfortable grip, a weather-sealed body, and a compact design that's perfect for travel. Whether you're a beginner stepping into the mirrorless world or a seasoned creator looking for a lightweight second camera, the Nikon Z50 delivers performance, versatility, and portability, all in one stunning package. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix S5 IIX. The Panasonic Lumix S5 IIX is a powerhouse mirrorless camera designed for filmmakers, photographers, and content creators who demand the best in image quality, video performance, and versatility. Built on Panasonic's full-frame L mount system, the S5 IIX delivers exceptional low-light performance, dynamic range, and cinematic color science. At its heart, the 24.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor with dual native ISO ensures crisp details and minimal noise, even in challenging lighting. Whether you're shooting high-resolution stills or capturing cinematic video, the S5 IIX adapts effortlessly to any creative scenario. This camera is a filmmaker's dream, offering internal 6K 30p and 4K 60p 10-bit recording, Apple ProRes RAW via USB SSD, and all intra-codec support for uncompromised video quality. With unlimited recording and real-time loot application, it streamlines professional workflows like never before. Autofocus is fast and reliable, thanks to phase hybrid F, which locks onto subjects with precision, even in complex scenes. The 5-axis and body image stabilization ensures rock-solid handheld shots, perfect for run and gun shooting. The S5 IIX is also built for seamless connectivity, featuring wired and wireless IP streaming, USB tethering, and advanced HDMI output for professional production setups. Its sleek, blacked-out design adds a premium, stealthy look, making it stand out from the competition. For creators who push boundaries, the Panasonic Lumix S5 IIX delivers next-level performance in a compact, full-frame mirrorless body. Take your creativity to new heights.